You got people falling in love. It brings you good cheer now when that mistletoe is above. Can you Santa driving the sleigh? Or is it the Grinch and he got away? Caravans alone, no acting afraid. Never get a white Christmas, but today snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights, the candles on the mantle.
Halloj! Okay, so welcome to a new vlog. Halloj! Well, the bit was a short vlog yesterday. No, last week. Last vlog was kind of short. Anywho, see, last vlog was Christmas. This is Christmas 2.1. 2.2. Yeah, 2.1. Whoa. Yes. So, this is Christmas 2.1, and I just had a bit of a Christmas celebration with my parents this weekend. And God, I'm so tired. And now I am on my way to my parents-in-law for some more Christmas. So yeah. Come on, hang on with me, sort of. It's great because you can't see me half of the time. So yeah, anywho, yes. A big Christmas! Hello! Welcome to a new vlog! Oh no. I think, and welcome to Vlogmas. Yes, this is still Vlogmas because I had my Christmas 2.0 today, so I'm going to show you what I got all for Christmas. So I have gifts from my boyfriend, from my parents, and from my family-in-law. So first of all, I got this cute leathery phone case that I can place cards on. Very nice. Then I also got, and both of these are from my boyfriend, I got this little chain necklace in gold. Very nice. And I also got 4 of these glasses with a gold trim on it. I think it's like whiskey glasses, but imagine like a frozen mojito or something. Yes, I got that as well as a gift card so I can buy more glasses. That's what I got from my boyfriend. From his parents-in-law, I got this. It's a little like from Rituals. And it's a very nice box with stuff. So I have this foaming like shower gel. I have this, what is this? It's a body cream. I have a scented candle because, oh wow. And then I have this body scrub. So I got that in a very cute little box. So I got that. And then from my parents, I got a bunch of stuff. So I got this. It's one of the like spiky rugs that you lay on so you can have like acupuncture thingy, massaging thingy for your back. Yes. I got that. And then I have this bag with stuff. I got a cookbook with like all of the healthy stuff and good stuff. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff now I can cook. It isn't the most beautiful thing, but it's nice and sturdy. So I got that for Christmas. Then I got some tea from my aunt. even though I'm not really a tea person, and now I have a lot of tea. And then I got another one of those like ritual boxes from, I think, my brother and my mom or something. I don't remember. But I left the bag at home, or the box at home. So this is a nourishing shower oil. They have two different scents. So that one that I got from, this one I got from my parents-in-law. I'm gonna tell you what scent it is. It's the scent of rice milk and cherry blossom. It's this whole shebang-a-dang. So, doing stuff with one hand is hard. So I got that, and then from my family I got the nourishing shower oil, I got the intense body cream, I got the nourishing shampoo, and I got this harmonizing foaming shower gel. And all of these are in the Indian rose and sweet almond oil scent. Wow, they're good. And then I got a bunch of food because my dad went to Croatia and he bought me stuff. So I have this chocolate with like rice puffs, and then some more chocolate with like red berries. And then I got these things. I don't really know what it is, but I think it's chocolate. Yes, chocolate. And then I got a lot of so weird. I said to my dad he can like wrap it in like a little gift for me, and he got me tuna. He got me tuna salad. So I got this one, which is the Mexican style. It has like peas and olives and carrots and corn and stuff together with tuna. So I got that one. I have this, which has like couscous, or no, it's quinoa and some beans and stuff. This thing with tuna. I got the Dalmatian, that was called Dalmatian tuna with beans and olives and stuff. Yes. I got the Mexican one, and I got the Mediterranean one. I love this, if you couldn't tell. Got a bag. And then I got something that you actually are standing on and that I am actually working on. I'm gonna show you. Don't mind my apartment. It looks like a mess, and I am... Whoa. It looks like a mess, and I am going to have to clean it. But, yeah. I got this! I got a vinyl player! So I'm so excited for that. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna keep on posting vlogs 2 times a week, sort of. I'm gonna try. But yeah, this was my Christmas 2.0. And yeah, now I'm gonna have to like clean up my life a bit because I left in a hurry. So I'm gonna have to clean a little bit today and tomorrow. And yeah, it's soon New Year's, and I'm actually debating if I'm gonna keep the tree or not. I feel like I might keep the tree for after New Year's. So anywho, this is all I got. Way. Now I'm just gonna have to work because I'm working, and clean. Nice. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to do. Yes. Gonna clean. Okay, so it's been a couple of hours since I last talked to you. I have zero motivation to do this, but I want to do like a run through. of me apartment. Oh. So, I'm gonna show you all of my disastrous things. Yes. Entryway. I have my door here. Entryway. Looks like a mess. I look like a mess. Can't even see me, but I look like a mess. The bathroom is fine. My living room. Even more of a mess. Bedroom. Meh. Living room is a mess. And kitchen. Not that bad. I have some stuff right there and some dishes. And my aloe died. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna tackle this thing like today and tomorrow. Although I'm very unmotivated. Oh, also I remember one thing that I got for my Christmas gift. I have it on. Do you see my new slippers? Ooh. Ah, yes. So, I got slippers for Christmas. Good. I need to clean. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so, hello, it's what day today? Wednesday, I think? Welcome. I'm gonna show you how far I came with all my cleaning yesterday, so... Entryway, sort of clean except that stuff. We have, that's clean, but we have all of this sort of clean. I still have clean clothes, some stuff on my table, and that's also clean. Someone is calling me. It's my dad. Hold on. Yeah, dad called. Almost clean. I have some stuff here. Clean clothes. And then my kitchen looks like this. I have to put all of this in my little closet for gift wrapping and stuff. So I feel like I'm good to go. I have clothes that I need to take care of and all the wrapping things. And maybe a little bit on my kitchen floor. No. Yeah. No. Okay. Let's go. Okey-dokey, I'm finally done. So, not much in here. All of this is done. In here, it's done. And this is done. I also redid stuff in my bathroom. But yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this little like in between Christmas and New Year vlog. I will see you in my next vlog. I'm gonna keep on posting twice a week, so now it will be a bit more scheduled every Monday and Friday for a few more vlogs ahead. So yeah, next vlog is New Year's, so keep an eye out. That will be up on Monday, so you know. Anywho, that's it. I hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, everything of that thingy thing. And I see you on Monday. Whoa!